My name is Dr. Ben Chudner. I'm the Chief Medical Officer for AEG Vision. I oversee all of our clinical and medical strategy for the organization.
And I'm Elliot Grossman. I'm the Senior Director of Med Services for AEG, and I work with Ben to bring new technologies, new products into our practices and work to expand our scope of care.
We manage over 430 practices, almost 850 doctors. And so we were looking for options to help meet the needs of our patients and our doctors while being financially responsible for the organization.
And something, as Ben said, that would be financially viable for us to put in a large number of locations if we needed to.
The last piece for us was working with a company where we felt we had a strong partnership, and that's what we found. So the data dashboard's been a huge win for us. We're a very data-driven organization. I think you have to be to have the scale that we have.
At the end of the day, this is all about outcome. It's all about taking better care of patients. And you really don't know whether you're doing that or not unless you can measure the tests that you're doing and understand what's going on in the practice.
For us, it was really pivotal. It's the reason why we were able to make the decision we made.
And so because it's a subjective test, the easier it is for a patient to take, the more repeatable and consistent you get results. And that's what I'm hearing from our doctors, is that they're certainly seeing that they're getting results that are building confidence because they're repeatable. They make sense.
In a perfect world, in my perfect world at least, if a patient was determined they needed a visual field, I'd rather have them come back so they don't disrupt the workflow. You send them back into a room, which may also be your pretest room, and that's a patient encounter you weren't expecting, and so it could back up the workflow.
So being able to move it as need be, it gives you much more flexibility in being able to, provide that care for the patient and not negatively impact other patients that are coming into the practice that need other services. Any feedback that we got that was an opportunity from the practice, when I talked to our partners, they would tell me, well, that's already in the works. We've already gotten that feedback. We're already working on that. And so I think, again, it's the ability to have a great product right now, but also understand that product is going to constantly be reworked and looked at and improved.
Capital is king. We're a private equity-backed group. We want to acquire new practices, so we want to be very careful on CapEx expenditures. So we have to build a business case when we make a decision like this. And so having that data and getting it the way we needed it, and the responsiveness, all that, some of that's intangible, but it's very powerful to us. We don't want to work with vendors. We want to work with partners. We have a saying that people matter, patients matter, results matter. And what we mean by that is we take care of our people and provide them, which is our doctors and our associates. So if we take the doctors, take great care of our doctors, provide them the tools that they need so that they can take great care of their patients, which we know they will, the results come.
With this specifically, it's about outcome, right? It's about the ability to, do a visual field test in a way that gives you, outstanding clinical result, but patients like it, the doctors like it, the associates like it, and that's how you get successful, is you focus on the primary goal, which is to create great patient outcomes and support your doctors and your technicians in delivering that.